Hey everyone, it's Josh here on July 31st, 2019. Just got in Universal Orlando Hard Rock Hotel. Wanted to take everyone on a quick tour of our room here. We got the King Suite at club level. Just want to take you on a tour around here. We'll show you just coming in the door. You can see here closet right as you walk in the room. Room safe in here as well. Mirror showing you the different heights of how you compare to different rock legends, as we are here at the Hard Rock Hotel. Coffee maker, both refrigerator below. And we'll check out the living area here first. As you walk in, nice seating area. The sofa that is a pull-out, so you can sit and enjoy some TV. And then panning around here, you'll see the nice king bed. Little desk for doing your work if you have to work while you're on vacation. Nice little table to sit. And then of course the view here looking out over the Hard Rock pool. You can see Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure over there across the way. Go back here and check out the bed. Nice big king bed. And dresser here for you to store all of your luggage, clothing. Going into the bathroom here, you'll see nice big sink, mirror, a makeup mirror here. Towels and toilet, and of course the shower, the glass door. Nice big shower there. So that's it for the room tour here at Universal Orlando Resorts Hard Rock Hotel, King Suite, club level. Great room, really enjoy it. Very comfortable, very spacious. Hopefully I have some more videos coming up for you here on this trip. Really enjoyed myself. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming along again, and we'll see you next time.